Hi Eric. So I have one scenario here. Just wanted to confirm with you. So this is the calendar link I have created, and I have two attendees over here, and I have logged in with both the attendees. I am unchecking this option, allow meeting with any one of the attendees. I'm selecting this, allow meeting with any one of the attendees. So this will allow me to create a meeting with any one of the attendees based on the slots available. Now what I'm doing, I'm sharing this link and so these are the slots available, and I'm going to select 23, it is Friday, where both the employees are having the same shift. It is 11 a.m., 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And this particular employee is in different time zone. It's in Myanmar Standard Time, and the other employee is in Indian Standard Time, IST. But that's fine. Now this is 9 a.m., which is 8 a.m. in IST. So I'm going to select this time. So this slot is available for both the employees. Which is 8 a.m. for IST and 9 a.m. for this Myanmar time zone. If I go and check, this appointment is getting created for the organizer, but what I was expecting same appointment should get created for the other attendees as well, because this attendee is also available here. The time slot for this attendee is also available. So that's what I was expecting, but it is only considering this employee and creating the appointment with organizer only. So yeah, that's my question. Let me know what is expected. Thank you.